Yes, wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Let students join. Yes, good afternoon to all of you. When the Python lecture starts? What is the timing for Python lecture? Python training. 4 p.m. Okay. Yes, this is the last topic, EV subsystems. This is the last topic in the 5th unit, that is in 5th chapter, EV subsystems. Clear? So already we have discussed this point, EV subsystems, electric vehicle subsystems. Already we have discussed each and every part. We have discussed what are the subsystem, what are the parts of the electric vehicle: motor, modulator, motor, IC engine, power modulator, battery, and a power electronic converter. Clear? So all these are the subsystems of the electric vehicle. But again, just to take a revision of this one for 20 minutes. What are the general components of vehicle? Maybe a electric or maybe IC engine. General components are the body or frame. Okay, so body or frame will be present in the existing vehicle, that is conventional vehicle as well as electric vehicle. Okay, so this body or frame will be used for the protecting the vehicle as well as passengers, protecting the engines. Clear? as well as the passengers. So obviously we know the body of the frame. Doors are power windows. Okay, doors and power windows also present in the electric vehicle as well as the IC engine vehicle also. Okay, there is no particular condition. Power windows will be present in the electric vehicle and power windows will not be present in IC engine vehicles. That is not a condition, but doors and power windows will be exist in the both vehicles, electric vehicle as well as IC engine vehicles. Okay, as well as the component wheel. Okay, all wheels components including the rim, hub, knuckle, tires. This is also one part of the vehicle. This is also one part of the vehicle. Suspension system. Okay, suspension system is also present in the both vehicles. Okay, that is the IC engine vehicle as well as conventional that is the electric vehicle. Suspension system is most important for both vehicles. Okay, it will be present in the both vehicles. Power steering unit. Okay, power steering is unit is also a power steering system. Power steering system is also present in the IC engine vehicles as well as okay electric vehicles. Clear? This power steering system is converted made hydraulic to electric. Before that, all the vehicles are using the hydraulic steering system, but it is converted to the electric steering system. That is called as a power steering system. Okay, this hydraulic to electric steering system can be built in the IC engine vehicle as well as electric vehicle. Okay, it is independent of the electric vehicle. Okay, we can build this power steering system in hydraulic IC engine vehicle as well as electric vehicle. Next, power braking system. Okay, so before that one, we are using the hydraulic braking systems. Okay, we are using that is the mechanical braking to hydraulic, and then we are converting to the electric also. Okay, mechanical braking, then hydraulic, that is the disc braking, are next converted to the ABS brake, that is the anti-braking system, that is the electrical braking systems. Okay, so this braking system also can be built in both vehicles, IC engine vehicles as well as electric vehicles. Safety systems, that is the airbags and parking sensors, all these things. Okay, safety systems. Okay, wipers and fluid pump. Clear? That is this will be present in the both vehicles, IC vehicles as well as electric vehicles. Okay, wipers and fluid pumps for removing the water content on the mirrors. Okay, interior mirrors. Mirror also means door mirrors. Okay, can be closed, can be open automatically by using the manual or electronic system also. This can also be built in the both vehicles, IC engine vehicles as well as electric vehicles. It is irrespective of the vehicle. It may be IC engine vehicle or it may be electric vehicles. So interior and exterior, that is depends upon the designing and company of the vehicles. Okay, what we have to put inside the vehicle, yeah, that is AC, cabin, lighting systems. Okay, any decorative, all this depends upon the company and the manufacturer. Okay, parts and components to be modified. So air conditioning system, integration of the variable speed DC motor for existing hydraulic actuator to AC compressor. Okay, some of these components have been modified, that is the air conditioning system, cooling systems. Clear? And next, okay, dashboard may need be some modifications. So parts and components to be removed. Okay, in the case of this is the main point when coming to the electric vehicle, IC engine vehicle to the electric vehicle. So the fuel tank is removed. Okay, whenever we are using the battery operated electric vehicle, whenever we are designing the battery operated vehicle, so no need to put the fuel tank because engine will not be used in the electric vehicle. But in the case of hybrid electric vehicles, we are using the fuel. We are using the IC engine. So IC engine needs the fuel. So definitely we have to place the fuel tank. But in the case of battery operated electric vehicle, But in the case of battery operated electric vehicles, it doesn't require any IC engine. Okay, so if IC engine is not present in the vehicle, so doesn't require to place the fuel tanks. That's why the fuel tank can be removed when converting the electric vehicles. Engine also is removed. Okay, when the vehicle is purely battery operated, so there is no need to build the engine. There is no need to use the engine in the vehicle. So engine is also removed. Clutch and transmission. So whenever we are going to design the electric vehicle, so generally the electric vehicle system, the electric vehicle is running with the single gear system. Okay, mostly the electric vehicles are designed with the single gear system. Okay, whenever the vehicle is designed with a single gear system, so no need to use the clutch plate also. Okay, that's why the clutch and some related transmission, mechanical transmission related to the clutch plates. So that will also be removed. Okay, that will also be removed. Next, what components are added? What components are added? All these are the subsystems. Subsystem means what are the components of the electric vehicle. Already we have discussed, but again they have put this topic in the 5th chapter also. That's why I'm just repeating this topic. Clear? Electric motor, high performance electric motor used for traction. So IC engine is replaced by the motor. IC engine is replaced by the electric motor. Next, whenever we are using the motor, electric motor in the vehicle, whenever we're using the electric motor in the electric vehicles, so definitely we need to control the speed of the motor. Definitely we need to control the speed of the motors. For controlling the speed, so we need to control the some electrical parameters like voltage, current, okay, and frequency and so on, etc. So in order to for controlling voltage, current, frequency and so on, etc. So we need one extra circuit, that is the controller. Okay, that is the controller, that is called as electronic controller. Okay, this electronic control can also be called as motor controller circuit. Okay, motor controller circuit. So motor controller for motor drive with closed loop feedback systems. Okay, this may be a open loop system or closed loop system also. Okay, transmission system, high efficiency transmission system with reduction system for high acceleration. So means whenever we have designed the electric vehicles, some transmission, mechanical transmission system is also the designing it changes. Okay, this transmission system is having the high efficiency compared with the IC engine vehicle transmission systems. Okay, so battery pack with BMS. Battery pack is nothing but whatever the batteries are connected, batteries may more than one batteries are connected in series or parallel. Okay, the combination can be called as a battery pack. Okay, if the more than one batteries are used in the vehicle and all these batteries are connected in series or parallel, okay, all these, the combination of all these batteries can be called as a battery pack. Okay, this battery can be operated with the through the total battery operating system is depends upon the battery management system. Okay, this battery management system will monitor the total battery operating system, that is called as a battery management systems. Okay, it is a reliable battery pack with BMS with CAN communication and support. Control area network. CAN means control area network. IoT and telematics. IoT for vehicle data collection combined with the latest technology telematics. IoT for vehicle data collection combined with the latest technology telematics. Latest technology telematics and data infrastructure to monitor and manage the vehicle. So means also we can, the vehicles are using the latest technologies, that is the Internet of Things and telematics. Okay, for receiving the data, for collecting the data. Okay, with latest technology terminals and data infrastructure to monitor and manage the vehicle. So IoT technology can also be used for the latest technological electrical vehicles, for collecting the data, for monitoring the vehicle, okay, for managing the vehicle. Okay, so for all these purpose, we can use the IoT system also. These are the these parts are removed from the IC engine vehicles, and these parts are the added in the IC engine vehicle. Okay, and also other components also are added. That is the converters, power electronic converters also added in the electric vehicles, because we are using the electrical motor and we are using the battery. Okay, so that is motor cannot be connected directly to the battery, so it should be connected through the some power electronic converter. Okay, that is this, that is DC to DC converter.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
पायथॉनचं लेक्चर आहे सर.
4 बजे आहे ना.
हा सर, त्यांनी जॉईन व्हा म्हणले व्हॉट्सअपला.
जस्ट वेट. Okay, just I will take the attendance. Okay, wait for 5 minutes. I will close in 5 minutes. I have put out the message. Just wait. Okay, DC to DC converter, that the power electronic converter can be added, and also some voltage control unit or motor control unit also added. Next, that is the vehicle control unit, that is the master control unit. Next, charging infrastructure, that is the whenever we are using the battery, we need the one charger, that is the onboard charger or offboard chargers. Okay, that onboard charger is voltage level is 100 volts or 230 volts, and offboard chargers, onboard charger means external charger, that is the voltage level is 410 volts. Okay, so all these systems are be added, and we can consider as a subsystems of the electric vehicle. We can consider it as a subsystem of the electric vehicle. Just wait, I will take the attendance, so then you can leave the meeting. Just for 2 minutes. Just wait 2 minutes. Yes, you can leave the meeting. 49 is present, yes, I have taken. Okay, you can leave the meeting. You can join the Python training.